Down south slanging, rolling with these hustlers, trying to get rid of all you haters and you busters. Down south slanging, rolling with these hustlers, trying to get rid of all you haters and you busters. Down south slanging, rolling with these hustlers.
So for about 4 o'clock yesterday afternoon, saw that the boys were stuck in Atlanta traffic, loaded up the car, got up about 12 hours later, and we're on the road, headed to Columbus, Georgia. With these two guys behind me, Landon made the rally last night, and I figured, heck, why not? It's New Year's, but whatever, let's go kayaking. By the looks of things, we might be skunked for the whole weekend. They're reporting 3 units, and we've only got 2. But we're in ambush, either way, having a good time. We got a 3rd unit, baby. Woo! We go to Good Wave. I got about $1,000 worth of camera equipment in between my legs. Nothing beats getting dressed in a parking garage.
Down south slanging, rolling with these hustlers, trying to get rid of all you haters and you busters. Down south slanging, rolling with these hustlers, trying to get rid of all you haters and you busters. Down south slanging, rolling with these hustlers, trying to get rid of all you haters and you busters. Down south slanging, rolling with these hustlers, trying to get rid of all you haters and you busters.
In a flurry of unexpected events, the river spiked from 9,000 CFS, which is that 3 unit mark that we were looking for this morning that we thought we missed. And right now it's at like 15 grand. So the wave is massive until this pool fills in. I think we're right at the cusp of it. Thought I'd hop in, get one more surf. And now every single muscle around my ribs, lats, back, core is absolutely throbbing. And I can barely move. So I think I'm done. I think it's a day. We'll call it good. Not the worst spot for dinner, if I do say so myself. So come post-dinner last night, I actually decided there's going to be way too much noise and way too many fireworks to sleep in town in the parking deck. So found a boat ramp out in the middle of nowhere, about 20 minutes north. And it was quiet out here. But I'm also in a different time zone, as I just realized. So my watch thinks that it's 6:46, and my phone thinks that it's 5:46. So that's fun. I must have been more tired than I thought, because apparently I somehow slept through all of those going off last night. Don't remember any of that. So we're supposed to have 3 units again today, but the water was also supposed to come on 2 hours ago. And by the time I got dressed, the water's back off again. But either way, got ambushed, good wave, and a high water good wave yesterday. I was pretty stoked about that, to get everything in one day. And I think I'm gonna call it quits here, because I got 4.5, 5 hours of driving, depending on traffic. Stoked to be here, stoked to go boating, surf the best waves, and stoked nonetheless.